Hello, everybody. So, today we're going to talk about yet another interesting topic, reading female body language well. Body language is the way people communicate non verbally through their facial expressions, different gestures, pacifying movements, and vocal characteristics such as the tone and the pitch of the voice. Reading people's cues can help you understand whether someone is comfortable, uncomfortable, nervous, angry, or even attracted to you. While people of all genders tend to have similar behaviors overall, there can be some subtle nuances more common among women. Here's how body language experts break them down. So, folks, watch this video till the end to understand the various aspects associated to a female body language. Number one, head tilt. The tilt of the head can show people that you are listening to them or encouraging them to continue speaking. Many women tilt their heads when having conversations with people, especially people who they feel hold authority over them. A head tilt can also be read as a sign of submission. Many men see a woman tilting her head as an indication that she assumes that the men are in position of control. The women may not mean to convey this, but it is often how men in authority read that signal. For women, if you want to exude self-confidence and authority, keep your head straight when talking to a man who you perceive to be in a position of control. Next, moving objects. When eating at a restaurant or sitting across from someone, a woman might move objects out of the way. This could be a sign she wants to be closer to the other person. Odds explains, particularly if it is followed by a physical touch. This tends to be a sign of affection among all genders. Smiling. Most people assume that when someone smiles, it is a sign of friendliness and happiness. However, what many people don't realize is that many women smile when they are nervous. This means that some women may smile excessively or at inappropriate times, making their emotions hard to read. In most cases, it is important to really listen to the words of the woman you're talking to rather than just paying attention to her smile. Look for other body language cues that might let you know that she is distressed rather than happy and friendly. Nervousness will usually show itself in other ways as discussed above. Moving on, self-touch. When women are nervous, they tend to tuck their hair behind their ears or fiddle with their jewelry. These are low confidence, submissive gestures. Women also toss their hair or touch their neck when flirting because it exposes their armpit. This releases sex hormones, shows that curvature of the neck and the highlights shiny, healthy hair. You do not want to do this in a business situation because this is opposite of showing professional power. Next, leaning forward. Many women lean forward when they are involved in an intense conversation. However, this can often be misinterpreted. Women also lean forward when they are flirtatious, and this is often how men interpret this female body language. It is important for men to read this body language in context with the situation and the conversation. If in a professional environment and a heated or intense conversation, it is likely that a woman is simply very engaged rather than actively flirting. At the same time, women need to be aware of this tendency and how it may be interpreted. Next is emotionally expressive hand gestures. Many women talk with their hands, meaning that when they get emotionally invested in a conversation, they use expressive hand gestures. Using a lot of emotionally expressive hand gestures can convey to the other person that the woman is overly emotionally involved or invested in the topic of the conversation. Along those same lines, we see that with men. When men are overly emotional, they will usually puff out their chests, deepen their voices, and increase the volume of their voices. It is important for women to understand that overly expressive hand gestures in the US, particularly those at or above the shoulders, are usually read as a sign that the woman is not in control of herself or her emotions. If a woman wants to be taken seriously or seen in a position of authority in a workplace that's mostly made up of men, any hand gesture should be minimal and kept at or below the waist. Moving further, Bobblehead. A common body language mistake women make is to overnod. This happens during conversations when a woman wants to show agreement or congeniality or nods as the person speaks. From afar, this looks a bit like bobblehead doll. While it can show friendliness, it is also a sign of pushover. So be sure to nod only when you really agree with someone, not by default. Eye rolling. Many women are prone to frequent eye rolling. Rolling the eyes is usually a sign of impatience or frustration. When you see a woman rolling her eyes, but being verbally quiet or reserved, she is likely trying to remain polite but losing patience. It is important to read this sign for what it is and change your tactic with the conversation or end the conversation completely. Peering over glasses. Non-verbally, this is a cue of superiority and scorn. If you wear glasses, try not to peer over them at people. It makes you look distant and snobby. Crossing arms. When a woman crosses her arms, it could mean one of the several things. Many people cross their arms when they are feeling defensive, such as during an argument or in a situation where they feel threatened. Women also cross their arms to express disagreement with someone during a conversation or argument. Some women also cross their arms when they are bored with the conversation and are ready for it to end. And some women or people in general cross their arms when they feel cold. It is important to consider the words and another female body language that the woman is using to interpret this message correctly. Rapid blinking eyes. Some men think that blinking eyes are a sign that a woman is attracted to them. They see this as a method of flirting. However, this is most frequently not the case. Most often, women rapidly blink their eyes when they are nervous or uncomfortable in some way. If you approach a woman and her eyes are rapidly blinking, it is a sign that she is anxious and possibly feeling threatened. Moving further, hands on hips. Many men can relate to seeing a woman put her hands on her hips during an argument or when the argument is about to be launched. Putting hands on the hips is universally seen by men as an act of aggression on the part of women. Hands on hips can also mean that the woman feels she is in control of the situation. Locked ankles. When a woman locks her ankles either while sitting or while standing, it can be a sign that she is nervous or distressed by the conversation. If a woman is open to a conversation at first but then locks her ankles, it might be a signal that the conversation has entered a place or topic with which she is not comfortable. However, this is not necessarily true for all women. Some women cross their legs at the ankle naturally. Some women were also taught that if wearing a dress and sitting, then they should lock their ankles. The idea behind this gesture is to show people that woman is a lady. Fortunately, this sexiest idea of a woman having to be a lady and display ladylike behaviors is being relegated to the trash heap. Moving further, dilated eyes. Research has proven that the eye is dilated when the individual sees something that they want. This is true of women just as much as it is true of men. If you're talking to a woman in a social setting and her eyes dilate when you ask her for a date, she is letting you know then and there that she is interested in going out with you. If you present a woman with an option that she likes, such as promotion or a coveted project, you will also see this response. And with this, we come to the end of the video catering to tapping or drumming fingers. The tapping or drumming of fingers on a table or other surface is usually a sign of impatience or boredom. The woman who drums her fingers on the table is tired of the conversation or situation that she is in. She may be tired of waiting, or she may be becoming frustrated with one-sided conversation. Another reason for tapping or drumming fingers is when a woman is thinking about something or about to make a decision. So folks, with this we come to the end of this video. If you have liked this video and the other videos on this channel, I request you to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification icon. You can also follow me on various other social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Thank you for watching.